What's going on, YouTube? Welcome back to yet another throwback video, man. On this video we got a beautiful 2005 Nissan, I'm messing up already, Infiniti G35X. How dare I disrespect the Infiniti like that. Infiniti G35X, as you can see, boom, there it is, the X. So if you know about the X, that's the four-wheel drive joint. Man, I really like these cars. I really like the coupes, but the sedans are nice too. But yeah, this was another car I got from the auction, repossession, Title Max. If y'all don't know by now, I love Title Max. But so yeah, another 2005 Infiniti G35X. This was my first and my only one I ever had that was the four-wheel drive. I couldn't really see no difference in them, but you know what I mean, as far as the way it drove, but it was still a nice car. This one had the tan interior. I think this was the second G35 I ever picked up right here, or the third. I'm not sure if I had got that black coupe before this one, but as you can see, it needed some tires and everything. The tires were not the best. This car had 139, I think, on it. It only had like 139, 138 or something like that, 1,000 miles on it. Interior was the tan, and as you can see, it was a little ripped up on the inside. It had an aftermarket radio and everything, heated seats, cool seats, Bluetooth. But yeah, the AC worked, the heat worked. The back interior was way nicer than the front, as you can see. The tan just really be messing up, and the rips and the seats and everything really be messing up. But other than that, man, it was a very, very nice car. I paid $23.50 for this bad boy, or it was like $23.55. Yeah, man, I got this car pretty cheap. I ended up selling this bad boy for 3,800 bucks, man. So that was a very, very good flip. 3,800 bucks. As you can see in the back, it had the wires and everything for somebody to hook their, subwoofers and amps and stuff up. I just left that in there. I was gonna cut it and make it look cleaner, but I didn't know if the customer, you know what I mean, wanted to go ahead and put them some system in or something like that. So I just left it. Had a spare tire and everything, man. Yeah, so this car was nice and clean, man. I made very, very good profit off this bad boy. I pretty much think I got this bad boy for a steal, man, and then turned around and sold it for 3,800 bucks. This is the highest selling sedan I done sold right here. I mean, Infiniti, highest Infiniti G35 I sold. As you can see, the all-wheel drive, and yep, I was right, 139,000 miles. Everything worked on this bad boy. Again, man, I appreciate y'all watching one of my videos. Got a lot of content coming for y'all soon. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. I'm trying to get to 1,000 subscribers, man. Make sure you hit that notification bell for upcoming videos. You guys will not regret it. I'll catch you guys on the next throwback. Appreciate you guys watching. Take care. Peace.